There are many reasons to cover up bad breath, halitosis. But if you're tired of quick fixes and want to get rid of halitosis once and for all, take these instructions to heart. Or should we say, mouth?
Method 1. Adjusting your oral hygiene.
1. Brush your teeth regularly. Two major sources of mouth odor are bacteria and decaying food particles. Squeeze a pea-sized amount of toothpaste onto a soft bristled toothbrush, and hold the brush at a 45-degree angle to the gums. Brush your teeth on every surface in short, gentle strokes, being careful not to press too hard or irritate the gums. If done properly, brushing should take about 3 minutes. 2. Clean your tongue. You can buy Orabrush or other tongue brushes from stores, or simply use your regular soft bristled toothbrush. Brush your tongue from back to front, rinsing the brush between strokes. 3. Floss every day. At first, your gums might bleed as you dislodge chunks of food that have stuck to your teeth and gum for who knows how long. But take a second to smell the floss after you pass it through your teeth, if you dare. You'll see, or smell, where the bad breath is coming from. 4. Use mouthwash. Choose a mouthwash containing chlorine dioxide. Many of the bacteria that cause halitosis live on the back of the tongue. Method 2. Changing your habits. 1. Consider chewing gum. Cinnamon flavoring seems to be especially effective in reducing bacteria counts in your mouth. Xylitol is a sugar substitute that actually works to prevent bacteria from replicating in the mouth. 2. Keep your mouth moisturized. A dry mouth is a stinky mouth. Chewing gum stimulates saliva production, in addition to covering up the odor with some kind of scent. Mints do not encourage saliva production. Drink water. 3. Stop smoking and chewing tobacco products. In some cases, bad breath can be an early sign of oral cancer caused by smoking or chewing tobacco. Method 3. Changing your diet. 1. Eliminate odorous foods. Vegetables in the allium family, like onion, garlic, leeks, and chives, have a notorious pungent aroma. Recognize that even brushing won't be enough to really eliminate raw garlic smells and other pungent aromas. 2. Eliminate or reduce coffee and alcohol. If you can't or don't want to quit drinking these beverages, be sure that after drinking them you rinse your mouth well with water or a mix of 1 part baking soda to 8 parts water, and then brush your teeth well about 30 minutes later. 3. Eat some carbs. In addition, fruits with high vitamin C content will help you fight potentially harmful bacteria, which can be a cause of bad breath. If you are anorexic, bad breath is only one of the reasons to stop starving yourself.